Hi, thanks for checking out the Socrates theme. We're pleased to announce that Socrates 4.0 is finally ready for launch, and so this is a quick overview of Socrates 4.0. But before I say any more, just realize that the Socrates theme has and always will hopefully have a 7-day free trial. So if you just want to check out the theme and try out a fully functional demo of the theme, you can just opt into our list, no credit card required, and you can download the theme, install it, and check it out on your website. So Socrates has been around for 4 years. It's actually used on over 200,000 websites. It's most popular for its signature features like our header system and monetization system, and of course great support with our support forum. And it will continue to be popular, but people really wanted to have a mobile responsive theme, which of course these days you really should have a mobile responsive website. So it's been completely rebuilt to be mobile responsive. It has new slider features, it has shortcode features, and a lot of extra features that we didn't necessarily have in the old version, but it's now updated and modern, and I think we think you're really going to like it. One of the things that I think people are really going to like is our new header generator system. The original Socrates theme had a built-in header system into the theme that had a couple hundred theme templates which you can add your text to. But the new Socrates header system, by the way, this is our header system, enables you to have any height header. By the way, it's fully responsive header as well. Enables you to use our header generator to make your own headers. So this is a header generator. I'm going to go back here to select a banner. You pick and choose any header design like this one. You can add text, drag and drop it. You can change the text to my company name, for example. You can add a subtext, different layers of text. You can upload your own images. So if you have a nice background image you want to use and have it perfectly sized to our header, you can do that. You can also change the canvas size, so you can use this for any banners or any graphics that you want. There's tutorials on that, but I just want to let you know that's kind of how you create the header with Socrates. It just takes a couple of minutes, and you can create your header and upload it to our back end, and you have your own branded header without having to pay a graphic designer or do extra work. We also have a mobile responsive nav bar and with a drop down, so you can see the drop down boxes here. We have a top ad unit. In the original Socrates theme, this was a very popular feature. It was a rotating banner, and there were rotating social media widgets on here. But due to the nature of responsiveness and the fact that the rotating banners were a little bit distracting, we actually have changed this to be a top bar widget. So this can use shortcodes. So this is actually using column shortcodes to display this banner on the left and these social icons on the right. But you can use this for anything you want. It's great if you want to put an opt-in box here. You can design your own graphics, have your own call to action here. It's really a great call to action location that most themes don't take advantage of, but the Socrates theme does. We have the Revolution slider that comes with the theme, and so you can create these sliders and use any designs you want, any size designs. This is a responsive area here. You can make your own layouts using shortcodes. So for example, this is just a little shortcode that displays a couple of recent posts. This is a testimonial slider. So you can use Socrates to make your own magazine layouts. You can make your own sales pages using it as well in the shortcodes. There's custom footer designs here, so you can change the number of widgets, you can change the background, you can change the lower navigation bar if you want. You can also change the background color as well. It's fully responsive, like I said, so if I drag this, you'll see what it looks like, for example, for an iPad. Header's going to change size there. For a phone, and if you look at a phone, this will actually resize to the size of the phone. It just doesn't quite work in the browser the same way. But that's kind of how the responsiveness works. You can check that out right now in your own browser as well. Okay, and this is the dashboard area. So you can see here that you control the header options, footer options, layout options, styling options. By the way, layout, we do have a wide layout as well. So if you want to click on the wide layout, save changes, go in here, you'll notice that the borders are going to be gone and that this is widescreen. Now all you have to do here is change the background color for up here to match your header, and so that will all look nice and nice by doing that. And then you can see it all goes down here, and it's a full width footer as well. And so that's how you can change it from a wide layout to a box layout or back and forth. And then we have styling options, blog options, social sharing box, social sharing links, contact options. We have a full contact form, so actually if I go in here and click on contact, you'll see the different contact styles. So you have the full graphic, contact box, social graphics as well. And we have custom CSS because it's better to play with your own custom CSS via the back end than it is to change the style sheet. And we have monetization, of course, so you can add your affiliate link for the theme to the bottom here. So you earn 50% of any sales of Socrates, and it's amazing how a lot of people make their first affiliate commissions because someone said, oh, this is a cool theme, where do I get it? And they find the link, and then they buy, and you make 50%. This is the in-post ad unit, so you can add your AdSense code or any other code here, and it will display inside the post. You can float it to the left or the right if you want. You can repeat it, so if it shows up on the index pages, you can change the way it repeats on the page. And this is the bottom of the post ad. Sometimes people put an opt-in box here, or they'll just put like a 468 by 60 banner as well. So a lot of the same features as the original Socrates, just updated and modern for the time that we're living in now with WordPress themes. But we hope you take advantage of the Socrates theme. We have the 7-day trial, and of course you can purchase today as well if you've already checked it out. But that's it for this quick video overview, and we hope to see you in the members area. Thanks.